everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Kube umunye wodwa ngolwesine Enelson Mandela University ngesikhathi ubaba kaSochuma Sande Sontiki emukela iziqu ze Bachelor of Arts degrees Yendodakazi Yakhe Engasekho emhlabeni. Ubaba uthanda uxolo Sontiki collected le degree 4 months since he buried his daughter who passed away in December after a short illness. Sontiki walked to the stage to accept his daughter's degree. He said it was a mixed feelings, mixed emotions on Thursday. We went there to receive her results and it was a very heartbreaking moment to see parents enjoying their children's achievement with them. He said as a family, they all believe the children who were graduating were enjoying their hard work for or of the years they spent at the university, which parents were supposed to enjoy with their children. Unfortunately, it was the opposite for ifamily yakhe. Ubese bonga ke isupporter itholile from all social media platform uthi ke even when they were outside the hall, many people of different cultures came to them offering their condolences. Uthi lokhu okwenzeke ngolesine bekubhlungu and futhi bekumele badlule kukho njengomndeni ukuthi ke konke okwenzekile ke kubanike isibindi nokuziqhenya ngendodakazi yabo esebenze ngokuzikhandla yasebenza kanzima yize yona ingabanga isabona ke imphumela yezithukuthuku zayo. Kodwa nje uthi ke indlela abantu abamsupporte ngakhona uzwe nenhliziyo yakhe engazi uthi iyaphola, engathi umoya ke wendodakazi yakhe ungaphumula ngokuthula. Do leave your comment below guys and share your opinion about what happened at university or Nelson Mandela University on Thursday last week. Bye.